Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in the last video we have covered SVM regression model. So in this video we cover decision tree regression model. So going further part, all the codes are available in my GitHub repo. I will put the link in the description. You can go and explore this notebooks, and if you want to follow me, you can follow me in Kaggle. We can explore the notebooks and we can learn more. So yeah, jumping back to the code. So what basically decision tree regression model is, so what does it look like? So it's look like some splits. So how the splits happen, it's totally on information gain. So if you have to learn more, you can learn more about information gains and entropy. So how this happens, let's assume that split one happens. So after this at 20 the split one happens, then it will try to minimize the entropy and maximize the information gain. So it will try to cluster all the points, not cluster, it will group the point. The correct word will be, it will try to group the points at one location that will give more information, and it will do the split, and it will check whether do I need to do another split on this part or not. So if not, they will move to another split. If it sees that okay, I can split this two part because both of the informations are different and they have less entropy, it will do by split. It's all totally on algorithm. They do it by themselves. So it's totally like if x1 is less than s. So this is the first split, and if it is less than 20, it will go here. So it will go to x2 is then it will check if yes, if it is less than 20, so it will go backside. It will check x2 is less than 200. So it will go to this part and it will check is less than 200 or not. So if it's less than 200, it will go below. So if yes, it will give 300. So what exactly this means is, this is the words, the value is given by the average of all the points inside it. So if you explore more, you will get to know more about it. I won't go too much deep about it because if I go, it will take a lot of time, and we don't have that much of time here. So let me do again this clear all output, and let me import back all my important libraries that I need here. So important is this one, sklearn.tree. We import this decision tree regression model here, and everything is same. So and the thing we are using here is the same as the same data set. Position salaries we're gonna use here. So it's the same from the last video also. Checking the null, the part is same. Splitting x and y variable by using ilog, have explained this part also in the last video. You can go and refer it. And we are now taking the shape x and y, so it sort of look like this. And why I'm not doing trend test split, because I have explained this, because the data is very small and this is just for learning purpose. So that's why I skipped this testing, training and testing, splitting the training different and testing different. So now I'm creating this decision tree class regression, and always try to put a random state, so that whenever you fit a model, if you have train and test different variable, if you put a random without random state, it will give different output every different time. So try to have a random state. Now we have a decision tree ready with our random state 0, and we fitted this x and y value. Let's visualize them. So it sort of look like this. It's very confusing, right? So what it does is, at every point it's try to classify here. Okay, it's go straight and sort of see, okay, now the value here is on the level thing, because it's try to match the level, and it's try to cluster it from this range to this range. This is one level. From this range to this range, this is another level. So if you have to predict some value, what will be the salary for 6.5, so we sort of see it's 150,000. So if we have to go back and see how much a person of level 6 is getting, let me print this head as 6 so that I can see for the level 6 getting 150,000, and for 6.5 it's also predicting sort of 150,000. So it's not very accurate, we can see, but still it's very close. But SVM gave a very good result to this. So that's all that we had for decision tree. In the next video, let's cover this regression part totally with completion of this random forest regression model. So that will clarify everything. So till then, hope you are fine, and see you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.